Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Crypto Market, your go-to channel for the latest economic, crypto, and XRP news. We've got some exciting updates for you today that you won't want to miss. So sit tight and let's dive right in. First up, the London Lions Basketball Club has partnered with Bitpay to accept Doge and XRP as payments for merchandise. This is a rare move that bridges the gap between the sporting world and the world of cryptocurrency. Fans and members of the public who want to get their hands on the club's jersey and accessories can now do so through Bitpay, which also supports other digital currencies like Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Next up, Coinbase has addressed the SEC's response provided earlier this week. The crypto exchange could not wait until its deadline to answer the SEC, as it seems unusual for an agency to defy a direct question from a federal court. Coinbase argues that the SEC's now filed enforcement action against Coinbase itself demands compliance with non-existent rules it had urged the commission to write last summer. Finally, Morgan Stanley analyst expects nearly $500 billion to leave American banks when the U.S. Treasury rolls out a new batch of T-bills. The new wave of U.S. bonds will likely put significant pressure on banks who can't compete with the government's offered yields. This could have a short-lived impact on the recovery that U.S. bank stocks have made since the collapse of several large institutions earlier this year. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who might be interested. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more news and updates from Crypto Market. Thanks for watching.